SIGER Adaptive Machining System smart solutions for vibration and precision challenges. In high-speed precision machining, vibrations, chatter, and inaccuracies are silently eating away at your efficiency and profits. For customers, vibration doesn't just lead to a decline in surface quality, it also means shorter tool life, higher scrap rates, and longer delivery cycles. Traditional processing relies solely on manual experience, for parameter adjustments slow to respond and prone to waste. The AMS Adaptive Machining System continuously monitors vibrations and load variations in real time. It intelligently adjusts cutting parameters to keep your machine tool operating at peak performance at all times. The SIGER AMS Adaptive Machining System consists of 4 core components. Perception layer, ultra-sensitive acceleration and power sensors detect the slightest variations. Analysis layer, high-speed signal processing and flutter recognition algorithms to distinguish between different vibration types. Low load, high-feed operations reduce cycle time, while adaptive spindle speed reduction minimizes tool wear during high vibration conditions. Computation layer, edge computing hardware enables blazing fast real-time calculations, perfectly synchronized with high-speed machine tool movements. Control layer, deeply integrated with CNC, it dynamically adjusts spindle speed and feed rate with millisecond response, for challenging machining scenarios like thin-walled parts, long overhangs, and high-speed aluminum milling. The SIGER AMS system effectively reduces vibration amplitude by over 40%, improves surface roughness by approximately 30%, extends tool life by more than 30%, increases efficiency by over 30% for rough and semi-finish machining, boosts efficiency by more than 10% for precision finishing. It achieves a perfect balance between quality and efficiency. AMS Adaptive Machining System, giving your machine the senses to perceive, the intelligence to decide, and the ability to optimize itself. Achieve worry-free, high-quality machining like never before.